One of the most common questions I get from travelers is, what's the difference between our basic, our classic, and our premier overland tours? Well, I'm going to give you an honest summary of the different comfort levels so you know exactly what to expect before you book. Let's start with basic. These tours emphasize exploration and affordability, making them ideal for adventurous travelers who want to be close to nature. This tier is heavily group-orientated and hands-on. Accommodation includes pitching your own dome tents, experiencing local living, or staying in dorm rooms while utilizing basic shared amenities. Because this tier focuses on the journey itself, very few activities are included in the base price, keeping your upfront costs incredibly low. Next up is Classic. This tier offers a fantastic balance of comfort and value, and it actually gives you two choices. First, you have Classic Camping, which offers improved equipment and established campsites where you sleep in dome tents with foam mattresses or camp beds using shared amenities. Alternatively, you can choose Classic Accommodated, which upgrades you to comfortable rooms with private bathrooms for a more relaxed experience after a long day's driving. Finally, we have Premier. This defines the highest level of comfort and service available on an overland tour. Your group size is smaller, capped at a maximum of 12 to 16 travelers, and you get more space traveling in custom-built overland vehicles. There's absolutely no participation required. A dedicated crew handles all the driving, cooking, and logistics. You sleep in grounded comfort, usually characterful 2 to 4 star lodges, chalets, or permanent tented camps, and are guaranteed your own ensuite bathroom every night. However, remember, this is still a true rugged African expedition into remote areas and not a 5-star luxury stay. But here's the best part. Whether you choose basic, classic, or premier, you travel the exact same breathtaking routes and experience the same magic of Africa. Head to the description in the bio to read more about our comfort levels and let me know in the comments which style you're going to pick.